असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello students, today our topic is synthetic fibers and plastics. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is synthetic fiber and some synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyesters and plastic around us. What is plastic and types of plastic, in that thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics and plastics and environment. So these are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter. So synthetic fibers and plastics. Actually, what is meant by fiber? Fiber is a natural or man-made substance. Fibers are often used in the manufacture of other materials. And we have types of fibers. One is a natural and one is a man-made. Man-made means man-made fibers are called synthetic fibers. Remember that man-made fibers are called synthetic fibers. And synthetic fibers used for fabrics and household articles. Synthetic fibers used for fabrics and household articles. So I said fibers are of two types. One is a natural and man-made. Now, natural fibers. Fibers obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. So when we get the fibers from the plants and animals, those type of fibers are called as natural fibers, right? So the best example from plants and animals. So plants means we will get the fibers like cotton, linen, jute, etc. or obtained from plants. You can see the pictures also here, cotton, linen and jute. Now next one is the animals. So from animals we will get wool and silk, or common fibers are obtained from animals. So you can observe the images of wool and silk. So these comes under the natural fibers. Now come to our topic, synthetic fibers. What is synthetic fiber? The fibers made by human beings are called synthetic fibers, right? So synthetic fibers are the man-made. Now a synthetic fiber is a type of chain of small units joined together, right? So in this, some small units are combined together and each small unit is actually a chemical substance. So many such small units combine to form a large unit. This is called a polymer. Right? In synthetic fibers we will take small units. Right? So the small units are combined together, they will form one long chain. That long chain is nothing but polymer. So synthetic fibers are made of polymers. Poly means many, mer means unit, right? So many units combine to form one long unit, nothing but synthetic fiber, that is. Now see, these are some examples of synthetic fibers. Now which I explained some synthetic fibers now. So these comes under the some synthetic fibers. You can observe the pictures carefully here. Okay. Now we are observing some examples for synthetic fibers. Now how synthetic fibers are made? How they are made? Synthetic fibers are made from raw materials such as petroleum. Okay, synthetic fibers are made from raw materials such as petroleum. Okay, synthetic fibers are not obtained from plant or animal source. Plant or animal source comes under the natural fibers. Okay, so here these are made by the raw materials obtained from petroleum, and synthetic fibers are used not only for fabrics. Synthetic fibers are used not only for fabrics but also in preparing many household articles. Okay, now see the next one. Now, what chemicals are used to manufacture synthetic fibers? So, I'll give you, see here, you are observing this serial number and name of the chemical used and name of the fiber. So, here name of the chemical sulfuric acid. So, sulfuric acid to manufacturing of rayon here. So, used in manufacturing process of rayon, and carbon disulfide. This is emitted from rayon fabric, right? And next one is the nitric acid used in rayon, and ethylene glycol used in manufacture of polyester fiber. And we have some more examples, so we will discuss in next topics. Okay, so these are some chemicals used for manufacturing of synthetic fibers. What are the uses of these synthetic fibers? See here, in this picture I gave some important uses for the synthetic fibers and some examples. See, synthetic fibers play an important role in today's world, we know that, and are used either on their own or mixed other synthetic or natural fibers to create fabrics or products for everyday use. In our day-to-day life, we will use a lot of things which are made, means which are made by man, means man-made. Right, here I gave some examples. See, synthetic fibers are ropes, parachutes, fishnets, carpets, tents, fillers in pillows, and fabrics for everyday wear like lycra and spandex, blankets, warm and protective clothing for extreme climates. So all these examples comes under synthetic fibers. So all these are man-made fibers. Okay, so in this we'll use some synthetic fibers or some natural fibers, or we will use the own properties in that to made like these fibers. Okay, so these are some examples for the synthetic fibers. And you can also observe the types of synthetic fibers. Here we have nylon and rayon, acrylic and polyesters. So about these types of fibers we will discuss in this chapter mainly. Okay, further videos we will discuss briefly about nylon, rayon, acrylic and polyester fibers. Okay, now see the some pictures carefully here. And we will use synthetic fibers in our day-to-day life. There is a use of synthetic fibers and there is a disadvantage of synthetic fibers. You can observe in this picture disadvantages of synthetic fibers. I will give you some examples here. So, synthetic fibers burn more rapidly than natural. When compared to natural, synthetic fibers are burned more rapidly, means they will catch fire very easily. And synthetic fibers are melt relatively easily, right? So they can melt easily and prone to heat damage. And also occurs more electrostatic charge is generated by rubbing than with natural fibers. Compared to natural fibers, here more electrostatic charge is generated by this synthetic fibers when we rubbing these synthetic fibers, okay, when compared to natural fibers. Okay, so there is advantages there and disadvantage is also there by using of this synthetic fibers. Okay, in our next video we'll discuss types of synthetic fibers. Okay.